Well, hello guys, and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install LDplayer on your Windows 11. Well, the first thing that you're going to do is pressing the download button in the official LDplayer website. Well, I've already pressed it, and the next thing is that you're going to press the installation exe right here. Then you're going to wait for a message. Press on yes. Okay, we can see that the installation has begun. LDplayer is downloading. We can see that LDplayer is downloading. We will skip that. Now, after the downloading has finished, the app is now installing, and it is advising us to be patient, as you can see. So I'm being patient right here, and I'm waiting for LDplayer to be installed. So you need to be patient too as well. I hope you are being patient. Okay, 99%. God, give me 99% of my exams. To be installed. How can I be patient, man? It's stuck on 99%. Yep, it's finished. It's finished. Thank God. Think that LDplayer has been successfully installed. I think it's launching. LDplayer is launching right now. So guys, as you can see, LDplayer has been successfully installed. Now you can watch, you can install the apps you want to install, and you can play the games you want to play. Enjoy LDplayer as much as possible. Thanks for watching, and see you later.